Greetings and welcome to our first lecture in our Life Simulator Playmaker course. We're going to start right away by setting up our project and installing Playmaker. You can see here that we have the project name as Life Simulator Playmaker. You can name this whatever you like. And we have made this a 2D project, and we can just begin by clicking Create Project. With that, Unity Editor is brought up and we can begin installing Playmaker. To do this, I'm going to click on Asset Store here in my tab. For yours, it might be up under Window here, and you can choose Asset Store, like so. So to get to our assets, and I'm assuming you've already purchased Playmaker. Obviously, if you haven't purchased Playmaker, you're going to need to purchase it to follow along with the course. Once you've purchased it, here under My Assets, you can click and just search for Playmaker here. I have a lot of assets, so it's going to be a lot faster for me to search here. And you might have a download button if you have not installed Playmaker before, so you would download first, and once you've downloaded, then you can click Import to import Playmaker into your project. Now this right here is going to pop up, and you just click on this little import button, and this step really just imports the installer for Playmaker. And you can see right now that the Playmaker installer has launched, and there's a button right up here at the top that says Install Playmaker. You can click Install Playmaker, and there's a warning here to back up the project. Obviously this is a new project, so we don't need to back it up. And then we have an Install Playmaker button, so we'll click Install Playmaker. We'll confirm that we've made a backup and click Go Ahead, just like that. Once again, we're prompted here during the install to import the package, so we're going to click Import here. And once it's complete, you'll just be left here at the Welcome to Playmaker box. You can just close that and click on Scene. And if we click on Project down here, you'll see that now under this Assets folder, we have Gizmos, Playmakers, and then Plugins. So Playmaker is now installed, and in our next lecture, we'll begin laying out the interface for our application and start building up our game.